In this video, I will show you how to turn off natural disasters in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So to turn off natural disasters, you can do this on new maps or you can do this on any existing city maps too. So to do this on a new map, what you're going to want to do is click onto new game and just go ahead and choose a map from the list. Then once you come down to the bottom right hand corner and click onto select map, you're going to get some options before you actually start building your city. Now you'll notice one of these is the natural disasters option. So all you need to do is uncheck this box to stop natural disasters from happening. Once you've gone ahead and uncheck that box, that's going to turn natural disasters off. Then you would just go ahead and start your game. Now if you're looking to basically do this on an existing map, what you're going to want to do from the main menu is click onto load game. And I've currently not got any save games, but what you're going to want to do is click onto load game, and in the bottom right hand corner you're going to see a green button which will say map options. What you would do is click onto the map options, and again from there you're going to see the option for natural disasters, where you would just simply uncheck the box again to turn natural disasters off. So that's how to go ahead and turn off natural disasters in Cities Skylines 2. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.